colossal wooden ark towers over the ancient landscape as the ground begins to split beneath it. Water erupts upward with violent force, blasting from the earth like exploding springs, while dark clouds coil above, ready to release the greatest flood humanity has ever seen. Massive waves rise in the distance as thunder shakes the sky. Animals from every kind, pairs of them, rush toward the ark through wind and dust, driven by an unseen divine order, their silhouettes trembling against the storm's growing roar. The ark's enormous hull creaks under the pressure as torrents of water burst from every direction. The ground collapses into rivers, turning valleys into oceans within moments as the storm intensifies beyond anything imaginable. Dozens of people look toward the ark in shock as the rain thickens, falling in sheets like walls of water. The sky becomes a raging ocean above them, merging with the rising sea below as the world begins to drown. Lightning tears the sky open, illuminating the towering ark as waves slam against its sides. The wooden giant lifts slowly from the ground, rising for the first time as the earth disappears under a sea of churning water. The animals inside tremble as the ark tilts upward, carried by violent waves. The sound of cracking trees and collapsing mountains echoes through the storm, swallowed by the roar of the growing flood. Outside, people cling to rocks and high places, screaming as the water surges higher. Their voices fade beneath the storm as the flood swallows every land, leaving no escape beyond the ark's towering walls. The ark is hurled across the rising sea, lifted by waves the size of mountains. Its bow cuts through black waters as thunder rolls endlessly, and the wind howls like a living beast around it. Springs burst from the deep with unstoppable fury, merging with the sky's relentless waterfalls. The flood rises above forests, villages, and cities, erasing every trace of the world that once existed. The ark drifts across the endless ocean that now blankets the earth. No land is visible, only rolling waves, storm clouds, and flashes of lightning revealing the massive vessel's silhouette. Inside the ark, the air is thick with tension. Animals move restlessly while the darkness outside deepens. The sound of the flood hitting the hull is constant, like drums of judgment echoing through the night. Winds howl stronger, bending the ark's wooden frame. The ocean beneath rises and falls with terrifying force, yet the vessel remains steady, protected by a command beyond human power. The storm reaches its peak as skies and seas merge into one violent, swirling force. The ark is lifted to the highest waves, carried like a leaf in a cosmic storm of divine power. Gradually, the rain begins to lessen, though the ocean remains vast and endless. The ark continues its journey across the great flood, drifting toward an unknown destination as silence slowly replaces the storm. Days pass over waters that stretch endlessly in every direction. The sun returns, casting golden light over the world.